Yeah, how's it going, guys? I'm sorry. I just woke up. I fall asleep, and then I just woke up. I fall asleep around, I think, 9 something, and then I woke up at like 3, and I have to go to work 3 hours from now. I have 3 hours, but I can't sleep anymore. So I feel like I need something to do to wake me up. So here we are, reacting to Stray Kids. What is this? What is this called? Okay, yeah, apparently it's called Thunderous. After a few googling. So yeah, come on, JYP, give me something good. Give me something to wake me up. Let's do this. Let's get to it. Whoa. Oh! No. Sorry. I was so distracted by that animation. That was so cool. What the hell? Wow. Oh my god! Oh yeah. Oh my god, this is surely waking me up, bro. I'm not ready for this. What the hell? Whew. No, can we go back, please? That rapping, oh my god. Holy crap, who is this guy? I'm sorry, but I don't really know the names of the member, but who is this? Oh my god. Oh yeah, what is this? It sounded like a what? Freaking accent or something? Uh-huh. Okay. Wait. That set is familiar. If you guys watch, who is August D, is it? I think August D from BTS. I think this is using the same set. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Sorry. What is that? Patui. Okay. Yeah, that here comes the JYP with the no meaning of the I don't know what's that, bro. What was that? Come on. Riding on the clouds, tada, barababam. Oh, come on, man. Is that it? Is that it? Okay, so whispering rapping. Uh-huh. No. I know we'll burn forever. I like that part. Yeah, there's petite. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's go back to the part where I like that. Yeah, the freezing cold, but we'll burn forever. Yeah, I like this part. The sound. I'm sorry. Woohoo! Whoa! Ah! Oh, they spinning! Ah, okay. I'm dirty? Sorry. I'm dirty? Come on! Rules! Oh my god! The effect is so cool. Holy shit! What was that? And the Fire Nation attacks. Holy shit! Yeah, I'm fully awake now. I'm fully awake. Oh my god. I'm sorry, but I love the starting. Who is this guy? The one who started rapping at first? Is it Chang? I don't know. I like this part too. Ah! Oh my god. Okay, I'm fully awake now. Whew. Oh my god. Okay. Where do I start? Yeah, I can see that this is not it's not for everyone, I guess. Yeah. What I'm saying, like, this is me. This is me. I like this. I like this a lot, actually. Some people might find this not really good song. I mean, yeah, it's not really like has like a meaningful song. Some people are looking for that. But for me, this is alright. This is actually alright. Just for you to vibe, you know. It's fun. That's what I'm saying. I don't really follow Stray Kids much. I don't because I don't know because people keep saying that their song is not good, so I'm not really checking them out. But this is actually alright. This is just right up my alleys, bro. I'm liking this. Okay, before we end, I need to listen to that. I need to listen to the starting again. One more time. I'm sorry. This is so cool! Oh! Yeah! No. The laughing part is actually really good too. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Alright, okay guys. Okay, that's it. That's my reaction to Stray Kids. Thunderous. Yeah, I'm ready for work now. Bro, that woke me up. Alright, I see you guys soon. Bye.